Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and sorry for the Blair Witch setup here. So I guess first things first, I'd like to know if you guys like the this camera angle, the fisheye lens here that the GoPro brings. This file will be labeled GP. Let me know if you guys like this one, if you guys like the plain old phone. This is part 3, the conclusion of my installation of the gutter guards. So here's what I done did. Okay, you can see all the crap on my roof. I got 50 feet worth of gutter guard up here. Was the installation pretty easy? Yeah. Is it going to work? Time will tell. Most everything is a little bit slanted. I'm kind of curious to see if it'll block stuff from coming in. Like, I mean, if water will overflow, or if the stuff will just collect up here, or if it'll wash away. I'm hoping the stuff just falls down. There is one issue. You can't really see it from here, and we'll take a look at it here. And that's on that end. Like I said, this is 50 feet here. I'd say it's a good project for one person. 2 ladders. And about 2 or 3 t-shirts. Gotta love South Florida. Okay, so I'll show you the part I don't like, and it is right here. There is really no good way to push that in. I kind of got it set up over here, or you guys can see that from here. I'm going to take this top off, take a look. There's a tiny little hole right here. Hoping things don't fall through there, but definitely could. But biggest thing is the seeds and twigs. That's kind of what I set this up for. Anyway guys, that's the project. So I can get a little better angle over here for this. As far as worth it, the product cost me, for the 50 feet, it was 180 bucks. I can tell you that I do feel that it is a bit overpriced, but I do like the fact that it's pretty durable. I mean, it's stainless steel. And then up here is what I don't like. I don't like the corner here. I was unable to bend this. I just cut this piece right here, try to make it fit. There's a large hole over here. Anyway guys, if you have any questions or problems, I will be there to answer any questions. Till next time guys, take care.